MaterialPlastic. Brand DC Fix. ColorVenetian Garden. Size 17 by 78 roll. Installation method: peel and stick. UV ProtectionTrue. Self-adhesive film transforms windows, glass doors, showers, glass tabletops and all smooth glass surfaces into a decorative and personal space, and can offer privacy of varying degrees. DC Fix self-adhesive films have grid lines on the peel-away backing for precise measurements and cutting guidelines. Self-adhesive films are quick and easy to install, are completely removable and leaves no residue. Durable decorative design, cleans easily and is water resistant. Includes 1.17 extension 7/8 roll, square feet per roll, 9.3, thickness, 0.11 mm, heat resistant up to 70 C or 158 F. For best application results, follow directions provided and apply to smooth, clean, dry surface using the DC Fix applicator kit. DC Fix self-adhesive window films are a collection of affordable home decor solutions, which allow you to change an appearance of any smooth glass surface and inspire a custom design with minimal effort. DC Fix solvent-free films boast unique designs and patterns that can be used for home and office makeover. DC Fix adhesive films gives glass and window surfaces a completely new appearance. Whether a frosted glass look in the bathroom or a Tiffany style on the entryway door, offer function and design in one product. The DC Fix adhesive glass film protects you against curious eyes as it filters sunlight glare and UV radiation, up to 95%. Whether you're looking for some privacy for an overlooked window or would just like to add some decoration to plain glass, DC Fix static films offer a wide range of designs in varying sized rolls to fit any area of glass. Application is easy. 1. Cut the film to the required size using the handy grid on the back for accurate measurement. 2. Position film to any clean, dry flat glass surface and gently begin peeling the backing paper as you smooth film using a DC Fix applicator or cloth. Surfaces covered with DC Fix products can be washed and maintained with warm soapy water and can be easily removed for new designs. Top reviews from the United States. Almost perfect. I love the color, the pattern, so easy to install with the tools they provide. I've done a bunch of these and this was by far the easiest and came out looking the best. The downfall. Why no match? There is no way to line up more than one piece so the patterns work. I was able to use the biggest, most prominent color on multiple sheets to hide the lack of matchup, and it's really not noticing with the pattern, but still, this could have been perfect.